Hello everyone. Now we will learn about transformer. A transformer is a device that transfers electric energy from one circuit to another circuit, either in increasing or decreasing voltage level. It works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. It consists of two coils known as primary coil and secondary coil. When we provide alternating current to the primary coil creates a changing magnetic field which induces voltage in the secondary coil. It allows transformer to adjust voltage levels by varying the number of turns in each coil. Here I have a demountable transformer. It consists of one primary coil and two secondary coils to be used one at a time. Here I have a multimeter to measure the voltage level on the secondary coil. So let's start. First I will connect one of the secondary coil with this transformer. Now I am going to provide the power supply on the primary coil and I will measure the voltage level on the secondary coil. It's approx 5 voltage on the secondary coil, and here I am providing approx 220 or 230 volt which comes in our home. So it's basically a step down transformer. Now I will try this second coil of the transformer. And now I am going to measure the voltage on this first secondary coil. Here it's approx 11 volt. So this is basically a step down transformer because at the primary when we are providing 230 or 220 volt which comes in our home, it gives us the output of the secondary coil approx 11 or 5 volt. Thank you.